Going on YouTube? It's your boy Jason D here from Subsonic Waves Car Audio Fabrication and Installation. This is just a quick introduction video. Just want to let you guys know we've got some videos coming. We've got some builds, we've got some subs, we've got some amps, we've got some speakers, all things bass. Okay guys, what you're seeing here is the start of our shop build. We've got a Craftsman vac, shop vac. We've got a Cobalt router table and router, some Allen wrench T-handle Allen wrenches. We've got some router bits. We've got a circle maker so we can cut those sub holes out for perfect circles. You got to be able to make perfect circles. We got a carpenter square, a combination square, center punch, a little bit of electrical work, some wood glue over there. You guys will see some videos coming up from us that will be unboxing and reviews of some of these items here. And then that is our Q-Bomb down-firing sub box for a 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150. We're going to do some custom work for that in order to be able to fit in a set of DC audio level 2 10-inch subs that we will be running with an audio pipe 1800 watt amp. There will be an unboxing video for both of those and some reviews coming up of that as well. So guys, thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, so smash that subscribe and turn on those notifications so you get notified as we start uploading our new videos, and follow along as we renovate this 2004 to 2005 Ford F-150. Thanks guys.